Okay, tell me how you fix your turkey.
I take it and I rub butter all over it. And then I put inside of it, I put sliced up onions, just cut in half in two. And I put celery, stalk celery in it. And I put a little bit of, about a teaspoon of garlic.
Okay.
And then I take it and after I rub it with butter, I put rub in this
Curry powder?
no, not the blend.
Okay.
I put this all over it.
Okay.
And then I put it in a plastic bag, cooking bag.
Okay.
And then I put it in the oven.
For how long?
I put it all night long from 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, and what is it? What do you usually put the oven
2
on?
o'clock, it's 2:45.
245 degrees?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it?
That's it.
Alright. Alright, good deal.
The bread, cushion.
Okay, we melt 2 sticks of butter, and we'll use this for
The half of it into the turkey and half of it in the pan before I put it in the pan bread.
Okay. Okay. Good deal. And that is a half a stalk diced up of celery.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like more to me, but
Whatever it takes.
okay.
And then I will cut the red onions.
Okay. And that's
I've got 3 onions.
3 red onions. Ain't that called Vidalia onions? Is that what they are?
It's called red onions.
Okay.
Then I mix them up.
Okay.
Then I try my spice.
Okay, which one?
Sage.
Sage. Okay, so I'm gonna put some sage in there. How much you think you're gonna
Well,
put?
I do it as a taste.
Okay, so we'll just see how much you put in there. So you're putting quite a bit of sage in there.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's this sage is kind of like a powder too, I noticed.
Yeah.
So that's probably, man, that's a lot, I'm guessing.
It's called rubbing sage.
Rubbing sage, okay.
Then I try poultry.
Poultry, seasoning.
Poultry seasoning.
And like I say, she just sprinkled some in.
And I put parsley.
Parsley. Okay.
I'll sprinkle that some in there.
Okay. Quite a bit, I see.
Then I put celery seeds.
I don't know who it is.
Celery seeds.
Celery seeds. Celery seeds. I can't talk this morning. Okay.
And then I'm taking this. And I have to taste it and see if it's that much enough.
Okay.
Then I take Italian breadcrumbs.
Italian breadcrumbs. Okay. Okay, here, let me help you, Mom. Let me help you, Mom. Let me help you. Okay, here you go.
Then I'll take the Italian breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Then I take curry powder.
I love curry powder. Yep, you got it.
That curry powder is a little strong, so you gotta be careful not to put too much in there, because it turns everything yellow.
Okay.
But I might add some more later.
Okay. So we'll put that over here
Okay.
where we can get.
And then I will put my eggs.
Trying to get away from you this morning. Okay, she actually put 3 eggs in here.
I don't put no salt in it because the broth has got some
No salt in, okay. This right here is the turkey broth that we drained off the turkey that she cooked. Okay. And that's about 2.5 cups of turkey broth.
Then I add my cornbread.
Okay, cornbread. And actually we'll do another video on the cornbread so that you'll know how to make her cornbread, because man, it is good. And how much cornbread is that? Is that about 1 pan?
Great big iron skillet.
Iron skillet, okay. Okay, and you'll have to watch the video on how to make the cornbread, because it's real important that you use the same cornbread.
Now we need to add our butter.
Do what?
We need to add our butter.
Okay. Okay, now after she's got her cornbread mixed up in there, she's going to add some butter, and she's got 2 sticks in there, so let's see how much she adds.
1 stick.
She adds about 1 stick, okay. Okay.
See, it's awful dry, but you want it kind of soupy.
Okay.
Because if you don't get it soupy, it's going to be hard.
It's going to be hard, okay.
So, I'm going to take and add
But this is some chicken broth.
chicken broth.
Okay. Okay. Just gonna sprinkle some in.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay. She just sprinkled a little bit more of parsley and a little bit more of this poultry seasoning. Okay. And a little bit more of celery because she tasted it and it didn't taste right.
And the rest of the butter.
And 1 more stick of butter. So that's what she added to it because she said it didn't taste like she wanted it to. So anyway, that's what she's done. Okay, after 10 minutes, she's stirring it again real good. And so this is what you're kind of getting. It's starting to look like dressing, right? Okay, in the pans that she's going to put the dressing in, she melted a 1/2 stick of butter in each one. Okay, so that's what she's doing. Actually, she's going to make 2 pans. Yummy, yummy. All right, what are you doing?
I'm going to put some chicken and poultry rub in.
Okay, okay.
Sprinkle it.
And this is after it's set for 10 minutes and she stirred it up real good. She's going to put some more chicken rub on it. And then,
Then I stir it up, and then I'm going to put some more broth in there.
okay. I'm surprised at how much broth that it sucked up. I mean, you put a lot in there.
The bread kind of sucks it up. Okay, I'm going to put some more broth in there.
Okay. telling
it
you.
won't be so tough when it cooks up.
Boy, I'm telling you, this is the best dressing in the world.
Now you ready to put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven. Okay, we got to put it in the pans, right? Okay. Forgot to tell you how much she put in that time. She put in half a thing of chicken broth again. 32 ounces, so half of 32. So anyway, now she's ready to put it in the pan. Let's see. Okay. And we made enough for like 2 pans. So I said we made some, she did. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Alright, now it's time to put it in the oven. Okay. Okay. So we put it in the oven and it's gonna stay in there for about 30 or
35 minutes.
35 minutes or till it turns brown. Okay, cool. Oh,
I got half a cup of butter and some olive oil.
okay, for Giblet gravy. How much olive oil you think you used?
About a tablespoon.
Okay. Now she's putting in some flour, right? Is that self-rising or what?
It's self-rising.
Self-rising flour. There's 3 tablespoons. And that's your turkey broth she's putting in. No, just pour it all in there.
Yeah, get it going with it.
Okay, now she's got her flour mixed with water. So just put some water in, probably about 10 teaspoons of flour. And she's putting probably half a box, which is that the box is 32 ounces, so just half of that. Getting a little wild there, Mama.
Now I gotta thicken it.
Go ahead.
I'm putting celery seeds.
Okay. Just sprinkling some in. Guessing that's about a half a teaspoonful.
And then I put poultry seasoning.
Poultry seasoning. And I don't know how much that was, but it wasn't a whole lot.
About maybe a teaspoonful.
No,
And
yeah,
then
I'd say less.
And then rub in sage.
Sage. Is that rubbing sage? Okay. Okay. Now she's going to add some cream of chicken. Whole can of it.
With herbs.
With herbs, okay.
I got 4 eggs.
Okay.
Boiled and cut up. turn it off.
Okay, it's been in the oven for like 10 minutes. It's boiling already.
Yeah.
So we're gonna Well, anyway, I finally talked Mom into making our dressing and giblet gravy without the giblets.
Yeah.
And then, anyway, we actually tried this once before, but anyway, it just didn't turn out very well, so we're trying it again. If you wanted something, you want dressing that's real easy, don't do this one, because it is kind of complicated, but it's way worth it. It's beautiful.
Yes.
I mean, the stuff was awesome.
And I received it from my mother. I used to cook ever since I was maybe about 8 years old. And I would follow her around and see what she done. And I received the recipe from my mother.
And listen, everybody, when you and this dressing, I mean, I crave it every year, and it's it's just the most awesome dressing you can make, and nobody can make this dressing like Mom. I mean, so the whole family, I kid you not, man, everybody's like, we want Jean's dressing, and people's try to make it, can't. And listen, I would like to have been able to like measure stuff out, but it just don't work like that. You know, Mom, she just throws stuff in there together, and so I tried to get it the best I can where you can make this dressing and the giblet gravy. So the giblet gravy is not very hard, but the dressing's kind of complicated. So, but anyway, I just want to thank you for sharing it.
Yes.
And stay tuned and get ready, get all your stuff ready, and I'll let you know exactly how to make it. So we're gonna try. All right, you ready to go make it?
Yes.
All right. See you in a little bit.